Now if you're quite lucky, your pistons will come marked. Right? You just see that? It says top. And this one says top, and the oil control ring. It doesn't state it, but I would put it the printed. You see it's printed here. Okay. Number 2 piston's number 2 ring is quite important, because you see, if you look, and it's to go this way on the piston. Let me see if we can. Oh, you can see it clearly now. Okay, so the larger part of the ring faces the top of the piston, and the narrower part down towards the oil ring. So this one would go over the oil ring like that. Okay. And then this one, it doesn't really matter which way when this one goes, but it says top. Okay, now I'm going to put them on. Right, make sure your piston is well oiled. Okay, so this one's well oiled. That's clean. I'm taking my rings out and making sure which way goes up. Okay, I disassemble this one. I just find it easier than this. Right? This is easy to put on, just put it on just like so. And bring it back together. And take your oil ring and put it over the piston like so. It goes on quite easy. Put your oil ring on. And you want to work some oil into these once you put them on. This is the second one, top. The ridges, that is correct. Let's take it over and put it in. And the hard one now. This is always a hard one. Okay. This is time for your fingers to suffer. You want to move it away from the piston as far as you can, because it will score the piston if it touches it. So without breaking it, of course, it's a bit of a challenging thing this. Okay. That's okay. And these, before they go into the block, they need to be at 120 degrees. So that one would go there. This one will go here, and the oil ring round here. The opening's 120 degrees. This is to minimise any leakage or from the oil or from the compression stroke. 120 degrees each opening should be.